Are you looking for the best drone with goggles? In this video we will look at some of the best drone with goggles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi V168 Drone. Elevate your aerial photography experience with the Xiaomi V168 Drone. Equipped with 8K 5G GPS and dual camera technology, this professional drone offers unparalleled image quality and precision. Capture stunning aerial footage and photos with clarity and detail like never before. Featuring omnidirectional obstacle avoidance capabilities, the Xiaomi V168 ensures smooth and safe flights, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about collisions. With its original design and advanced features, this drone is perfect for both professional photographers and enthusiasts looking to take their aerial photography to new heights. With foldable arms, compact and easy to carry, GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, can connect to APK system to take photos, videos and transmit images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 m. 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide various HD images and videos. With altitude hold mode function to provide stable flight. Orbital movement will allow the aircraft to fly in circles, providing cooler camera angles. Number 2. Lenovo Z98 Pro Max Drone. Introducing the Z908 Pro Max, the ultimate professional drone for all your aerial photography and videography needs. With a maximum flight time of 40 minutes and a control range of 5,600 meters, this drone allows you to capture stunning footage from any angle and distance. Equipped with a range of advanced features, including brushless motors, dual cameras, intelligent flight modes, and obstacle avoidance, this drone is designed to provide you with a seamless and intuitive flying experience. With the ability to record 8K video, HDR, and wide-angle shots, you can capture every detail of your subject with unparalleled clarity. Whether you're a professional photographer or just looking to capture some stunning shots, the Z908 Pro Max is the perfect drone for you. 1 key takeoff / 1 key landing / ascent / descent / left / right direction / 360 degrees roll, headless mode, speed and slow speed, 1 key reset, fine direction adjustment / lens adjustment angle. Number 3. L900 Pro Max GPS Drone. With foldable arm, small size, easy to carry. Escape 4K HD wide-angle camera and can adjust the angle 90 degrees by controller. With 5G Wi-Fi function can connect with APK, take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS-assisted flight provides you with accurate positioning details. The drone will automatically return to home when its battery is low or the signal is weak or when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. Optical flow positioning. Fixed point height. It can shoot more easily and steadily indoor. Altitude hold mode. By setting the air pressure outside, the quadcopter can hover in the air stably, making the shooting easier. Gesture photo, video. Break the old way of taking photos. Find the fresh new thing by make gestures to record your beauty. Within the range of 1 to 3 meters. 18 minutes max flight time. The high capacity 7.4 volts / 2200 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 18 minutes flight time. Brushless motor. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easy to get complex shots, provides hands-free flying and selfie. Waypoint flight mode. Open the drone APK, use flight plan at your fingertips. Just draw a route on the screen, the copter will auto-fly as per the given path. fixed points around. Choose one point, then the drone will fly around the point in a circle. 6-axis gyro, which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight 220 grams and durable resistance. Number 4. Lenovo P1 Pro GPS Drone. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and is electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life, 3.7 volts 1800 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 35 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app mobile phone control, one key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight, gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components. Stop without collision when encountering obstacles. Brushless motor provides stronger power and longer service life. 5 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, no fear of crashing. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control. Number 5. S2S Mini Drone. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clearer. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. Ultra-long endurance 3.7 volts 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which can last about 25 minutes. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app mobile phone control, back with one key, headless mode, ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Handed gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra-long endurance, obstacle avoidance head assembly, which can stop when encountering obstacles without colliding with them. Brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. The size and weight of the product are light, and the body weight is 174 grams, which can circumvent the National Aviation Control. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control.